here at the Barcelona Mobile World Congress at Samsung stand. We have this new S9, S9 Plus, with the new features such as the camera reimagined, the Dolby partnership, and the partnership with AKG, which allows the better sound, such as surrounding sound. Also, new pixels such as dual pixel technology that allows more immersive experience with the infinity display. So it also includes the AR emoji function, which allows you to create your own emoji. As you can see, yeah, here, hi, which follows your eyebrows, also with Mickey Mouse and a variety of different faces. Also features such as Snapchat-like, very cool. There's also the super slow-mo feature, which allows you to record videos at 960 frames per second. Look at the fire. Okay. Also the Bixby Vision 2.0 enhanced and updated from the S8, which allows you to just click here to apply makeup to yourself. Different faces, different products from real life with the partner of Sephora. Also live translation. Just instantaneously. There's also the place where you can point to the sky. It tells you the weather. Yes. And then so if you point to the ground, it shows your location right now. Okay. And if we take this bottle, there's this new function which allows to identify the objects such as food, and it tells you the ingredients. Where? No matching food found. Well, we were not lucky here. Water, 0 calories. Okay. Thanks to its dual camera and fingerprint sensor, which moved from here to here, much more natural. It has dual aperture, so it opens and closes depending on the light automatically, so you don't have to be aware of it, and allows you to take better pictures in low light.